Good morning, children. In the previous classes, we had learned about LCM and HCF. Now, today we are going to learn the relation between LCM and HCF. The relation between LCM and HCF is the product of LCM and HCF of the two numbers is equal to the product of two numbers. Let us take, suppose A and B are two numbers. LCM of A and B is L and HCF of AB is H. Then L into H, that means L into H means the product of LCM and HCF of H is equal to the product of those two numbers A and B. The meaning of this one, A, B అనే రెండు నంబర్లు ఉంటే ఆ రెండు నంబర్ల ఎల్సిఎం అలాగే హెచ్సిఎఫ్ ఈ రెండింటిని మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే మనకి ఆ రెండు నెంబర్లు అంటే ఏబీలు ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో ఆ రెండు నెంబర్లని మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే వచ్చే మొత్తానికి మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే వచ్చేదానికి సమానం అవుతుంది. I will explain with an example. First of all, example, find LCM and HCF of 8 and 12. Hence, verify the relationship between LCM and HCF of the numbers. For that, first, here numbers, given numbers are 8 and 12. So, prime factorize by using division method. 2 4 are 8 and 2 2 are 4. Then prime factors of 8 is 2 into 2 into 2. And here coming to 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6. Now prime factors of 12 equal to 2 into 2 into 3. Now according to the definition of LCM and HCF, LCM means the product of common factors and extra factors of the both. In this prime factorization, here 2 is common and here 2 is common, but in the first prime factorization 2 has extra, here 3 has extra. So that's why the product of common factor means 2 2. So that's why I wrote here 2 2. And extra factor is 2 and 3. So 2 into 3, by multiplying we get 2 2 are 4, 4 2 are 8, 8 3 are 24. Now coming to the HCF means the product of only common factors. Here only common factors is 2 and 2. No need to consider these extra factors. So 2 2 are 4. Now we have to verify the relationship. Here relationship is LCM value into HCF value is equal to the product of those numbers. Here relationship we will check HCF into LCM. HCF is 4 and LCM is 24. That is equal to 4 into 24 equal to 96. Next, product of the numbers. What are the numbers? 8 and 12. Therefore, product of 8 and 12 is also 96. The meaning of this one, in both the case, product of HCF and LCM is equal to 96 and the product of numbers equal to 8 into 12 equal to 96. In both the cases, they are equal. Therefore, LCM into HCF is equal to the product of the numbers. This is the relationship between LCM and HCF. Now we are going to find different formulae using those relationships in the form of note. Here if LCM into HCF equal to A cross A into B, that means product of LCM and HCF is equal to the product of those numbers. Then suppose A, we can find A equal to, by transposing B to the left hand side, then LCM into HCF. Here B is under multiplication. When we transpose to the left hand side, then we go to the denominator. Now this is the one formula. This is one formula. Next to, suppose if keep the B same here and we will transpose to that side, then A will go to the denominator. In similarly, if we keep LCM here and we will transpose to the right hand side HCF, then it will goes to the denominator. Similarly, HCF is equal to A into B by LCM. So by using the relationship, we form another four formulae. They are A equal to LCM into HCF by B, B equal to LCM into HCF by A, LCM equal to A into B by HCF, HCF equal to A into B by LCM. Now we will take one example for each of these. Now example, find HCF of 2490 and then find LCM using the relation. So by using those formulas we can find the LCM. So for that, first of all, we have a regular method. Prime factor is 24 when we try prime factor is 2 12 jar, 2 6 jar, 2 3 jar. And here coming to the 90, 245, then 350 and 3 5s. Now prime factors of 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, and prime factors of 92 into 3 into 3 into 5. According to the definition, HCF means product of common factor. Here in these two factorization, 2 is common and 3 is common. Is no other commas. Here 2 is, there is no other 2 and there is no other 3 and 5 like that's the same. Now HCF of 2490 equal to 2 3 jar 6. So this is a 6 is a HCF. Relationship is LCM into HCF is equal to A into B. LCM equal to LCM, same we are writing the same because of we need to find the LCM. And HCF already we found, that is 6. Next, that equal to A equal to 24 and B equal to 90. Transpose 6 to the right hand side, then it goes to the denominator. Why it will go to the denominator? Because of here under multiplication, if it transpose to the right hand side, then it will go to the denominator. Now cancelling, 6 1 jar and 6 4 jar 24, 490. Therefore LCM is equal to 360. Now we will move to another example. The product of two numbers is 486. If their LCM is 54, then find HCF. Observe this question. Here they didn't give any numbers, but they given the product of the numbers and LCM. So find HCF. In general method, it is not possible to find HCF directly. By using the relation only, it is easy to find the HCF by using these two, that is two product of the numbers and LCM. So for that solution, given the product of two numbers equal to 486, LCM of the numbers is equal to 54. Now what is the relation? Product of LCM and HCF is equal to the product of the two numbers. Now product of LCM, the given is 54 and HCF we need to find, and the product is 486. By transposing 54 to the right hand side, it will goes to the denominator. Now HCF is equal to, by transposing 54 to the right hand side, then it will goes to the denominator. Now 6 9 jar 54 and 6 8 jar 48 and 6 1 jar 6. Again it will goes cancel. 9 1 jar 9, 9 9 jar 81. Therefore HCF is equal to 9. We will move to the next example. Here the HCF of two numbers is 3 and their LCM equal to 60. If one of the number is 15, then find the other number. So here given HCF equal to 3, LCM equal to 60. One of the number is equal to 15. What is in this example, they given completely HCF value and LCM value, but they didn't given one of the other number. One number given, we need to find the other number. Here, by using the relationship and means LCM and HCF is equal to the product of the numbers. Suppose if you take this is one number, then automatically other number we will transpose to the right hand side. So other number is equal to LCM into HCF by one of the number, given number, that is. So LCM is equal to 3 into 60 and by one of the number is 15. 15 ones are and 15 fours are 60. Now multiply the numerators. 3 into 4. 3 fours are 12. So other number is equal to 12. Now we will move to exercise 3.6. First question, find the LCM and HCF of the following numbers. In the first question, sub questions are 15, 24, 8, 25, 12, 48 and check their relationship. This is the first model. Now we will find the solution of the first question, 15 and 24. Before to find, so let we take as A equal to 15 and B equal to 24 because of those are the numbers. And prime factorization, 15 prime factorization 3 into 5, 24 prime factorization 2 12 are, 2 6 are and 2 3 are. Now prime factors of 24 is 2 into 3. Now to find the LCM, the product of common factors and the extra factors of the both numbers. First we have to find what is the common here. 3 is only common, no other numbers are in common. Now they are other non-other common numbers we are taking as the extra factors. Now here product of 3 means the common one, other extra ones here 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Now multiplying 3 2 are 6, 2 are 12, 12 2 are 24, 24 5 are 120. HCF of 15 and 24 equal to the product of the common factors. What are the common factors in the example? Only 3 is the common factor. Therefore, 3 is the HCF. Now we are going to check the relationship between HCF and LCM. LCM into HCF is equal to 120 because of LCM is 120 and 3 is the HCF. 12 3 are 360, that means 12 3 are 36 into already 0 is there, so 360. Now the product of the numbers 15 into 24, 15 4 are 60 and 15 0 are 3, that is 360. Now LCM into HCF of AB is equal to the product of those numbers. Hence we check. Do homework or practice question. Second question, if the LCM of two numbers is 290 and their product is 7250, what will be its HCF? Already we done this model in the example. That means here what they given, their product, that means product of the numbers was given and LCM of two numbers also given. We need to find HCF. We can find this one by easily by using relationship. So given LCM equal to 290 and the product of two numbers is equal to 7250. By relation, A cross B is equal to LCM into HCF. Now we need to find HCF. HCF is equal to, by transposing LCM to the left hand side, then it will come under to the denominator. Now A into B by LCM, that equal to A into B means product of the numbers, that is 7250 by 290, that is LCM. Now I will cancel 0 and 0 and remaining 21 1 jar 29 2 jar 58. What is the remainder? 14. Then total number 145. Now 29 5 jar 145. So it gives 25. So HCF is equal to 25. Now we will move to question number 3. the product of two numbers is 3276. If their HCF is 6, find their LCM. Same method, but here they given here HCF given, we need to find LCM. So given product of number 3276, given HCF is 6, by relation LCM into HCF is equal to the product of the numbers. Now LCM is equal to 3000, that is product of the numbers by 6 is a LCF. HCF that equal to 6 5 are 30 and here 2 remainder and 27 is the number. Next to 6 4 are 24 and 24 and 3 is the remainder and total 36. 6 is 36. So 546 is the LCM of those two numbers. Now the last question in this exercise, HCF of two numbers is 6 and their LCM equal to 36. If one of the number is 12, then find the other number. So let A and B are the given numbers, they are, and their HCF is equal to 6 and LCM equal to 36. Now one of the number equal to 12. By relationship, product of the numbers is equal to LCM into HCF. Now suppose B is 12, then we need to find A. Then by transposing B to the right hand side, then LCM into HCF by B. LCM into HCF by B. B. Now LCM is equal to 36, HCF equal to 6 and B is equal to 12. 12 ones are and 12 threes are. Now 3 6
are 18.
Other number 18. Dear students, practice 3.5 and 3.6 exercise carefully.